They're eating the wipes. They just gun on you and
Boy, we got next, boy, you know we got next. Boy, we got next, boy, you know we got next. Boy, we got next, boy, you know we got next. Toya. On the weekend, it's two of us, three of them. Flexing like the gym, broke the rim, walking ATM. Took her on a trip, wanna go again, that depends. Rocking out events, do my money dance. I'm the man, girl from Japan, she a fan. She like what I'm wearing, had to stop and stare at a player. No, it wasn't fair, I ain't here. Group of the year, no one else compare. Never had no fear, check my gear, no I'm debonair. Oh my gosh, gave the beat massage, it was no surprise. Step inside, no we keep it live.
We did not spend a lot of time in the city, but it's Brandon's favorite city, probably my favorite. Cartagena, Spain. It's beautiful. We were probably out there, what, 2-3 hours? Great times. Now we're selling away. Right, Jenna? The older two kids are in the teen center. And it's just us three. Plus the emotionally unstable one over there. Thinking about life.
You feel the vibe, worldwide, chilling with my slime. Ducked off in my ride, look inside. Oh, forgot you can't. Please don't touch my paint. Women faint. Catch me in New Orleans. I guess I'm a saint. Broke the bank. Yeah, I need that bag. I need all my cake. Let me think. I ain't text her back. I'ma leave it blank. What you say? 50 shades of gray. Boo, I need some space.
We that new wave. We that new wave. We that new wave. We that new wave. Change the game, getting paid in our own lane. Change the game, getting paid in our own lane. We that new wave. We that new wave. We that new wave. We that new wave. Change the game, getting paid in our own lane. Change the game, getting paid in our own lane.
no, they're eating the wipes.
We are in Gibraltar. You can see it's beautiful. It's been quite an experience. Monkeys are everywhere. The kids got to the monkeys kind of ate from their hand, and Brendan and I got into fights with the monkeys. I think I won my fight. I got what I had back.
Dad lost his.
They tried to take this from me,
He had
and I
wipes.
kept tugging.
Dad had wipes, and then the monkeys stole the wipes. They jumped onto Dad's back, and then they were crawling all on his head and stuff, and they snatched the wipes out of his hand.
Imagine my surprise when I'm taking pictures of my kids and a crowd of people are yelling, and somebody tells me my husband, and I turn around to see him hunched over with a monkey on his back, battling him for wet wipes. It's been quite an experience.
With you on me, running down my situation. Baby say I'm always cheating. Quit with all them allegations. Leader of the pack. Shook back, chill, just relax. Turned up to the max. Bout them racks, yeah, that's a fact. Can't collapse, make a way, dude. Call me Google Maps. Feeling gaps, man, they really whack. Steady rolling craps. Ain't even full, stupid cool, man, it's just a snack. Got it right the first time, little baby had to double back. Style really.
When I fell, I was about to fall, so I grabbed onto here, and I was like,
They're horrible. They're not good. Nobody's good at this.
first time.
Julian is about the best, but he has help. Jaden's walking on the ice. Jenna just fell. It's sad.
Mom, I wonder how people are able to like do all those stunts.
That helmet's not working for her. Carefully. They're able to do it carefully.
Mom, look at my feet.
Rock a crowd, talking right now. Money piles, we gon' need a plow. Yeah, it's going down. Please don't drop my sound. Come around, bro. I'm out princess has been found. I'm a king, tell them bring my crown. Really got these bras, laying laws. Baby, watch your paws. Ooh, I like them Jones, like my song. Let me take you home. Urkel mindset, body check, swag up like Stefan. Switch my name from Sandman to Dress Man's the Dapper Don. We that new wave, we that new wave.